Hi everyone, finally I'm able to share something with you that's going to save you time. Speed Beauty was always a channel to make beauty quick, but there's always so much to say. If you love facial masks and you love beauty gadgets, you are going to want to know about the new Foreo UFO2. So this device is a combination of Swedish technology and Korean formulated masks. This device is going to save you time. In fact, the complete process of this spa-like facial is 90 seconds, and you might spend 15 to 20 minutes using a normal sheet mask. But in 90 seconds, using certain different treatments, cryotherapy, thermotherapy, and T-sonic pulsations, and light therapy, it allows the product to really infuse into your skin, revitalize your skin, leaving it really soft and smooth to the touch. So first of all, you choose from one of the masks. This is the new Farm to Face collection from Foreo, all naturally derived products from around the world, and then you use it with the device. So here are the new Farm to Face masks. You've got Acacia berry from Brazil. This is really great for smoothing the surface of your skin. Coconut oil, as you know, great for hydration. Green tea from Japan, purifying. Manuka honey, which is, oh, that smells so lovely. Great for hydration and revitalising the skin. And this is my favourite, the Bulgarian rose. Really great for dry, dehydrated skin. Place the mask over the top, making sure you line up the mask in exactly the same shape with the indent coming out. Then gently press it on top. Select the mask that you want to use. Your phone will connect with the device and then it will guide you through your treatment. So I can feel the warmth of the thermotherapy and the calmness of the red light therapy. So nice.
As T-sonic pulsations promote absorption of the rose essence, green LED helps deliver a healthy, radiant glow.
This really helps penetrate the product into my skin. And it feels really cold now with the cryotherapy, making my skin feel quite revitalised. Oh, the smell of this Bulgarian rose is so beautiful. The sonic pulsations are very gentle.
T-sonic pulsations are reduced to a low frequency and combined with a cooling sensation for a soothing facial massage, while a green LED continues to brighten the complexion and even the skin tone.
So it feels really cool on my skin now.
You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed.
So you can stop the treatment whenever you want, you can redo it if you want, and actually there is so much product in here, you can actually reuse it if you want to, or take a little bit of extra product and just take it down your neck onto your décolletage. You don't want to waste anything, and it just smells really divine. So now all the product has absorbed into my skin, and I'm going to leave it on my skin because it just feels really bouncy and hydrated. And it's got a nice bit of erythema coming through from the stimulation of the device. And I must say, the individual masks are 100% biodegradable. They are made from seaweed and cotton cellulose, so they naturally decompose, which I think when you're using so many in this day and age is vital. Now I've shown you how to use the Foreo device with the Farm to Face masks, but you don't necessarily have to use those masks. You can just use the UFO2 with your normal serums, face masks and hydrators. Another great thing about this device is that it's completely personal to you. So you can customize the device once you upload it to the app. And if you've got a few pimples, you might want to extend the blue LED light. If your skin's feeling super dry, you might want to increase the T-sonic pulsations and a little bit more heat therapy. It's totally up to you. So you can adapt the functions of the Foreo depending on what your skin needs. So for me personally, I've tended to use these a lot more than I thought I would because it only takes 90 seconds. And right now it is really lovely just to have a little bit of self-care at home. A little bit of a spa-like treat just by the side of your bed. I keep mine by the side of my bed and I just lie down and do it quietly when I can find the time. Sometimes it's in the morning, sometimes it's in the evening, sometimes it's just after a bath, but it does feel quite special and a lovely treat. So a great gift for someone or a great treat to yourself. So as usual, I'm really looking forward to reading what you think below. And like I said in the intro, if you love wearing sheet masks and you love a beauty gadget, this is a perfect combination. Bye for now.